So we kick off today's video at the store. Looks like they're grabbing some type of trays here. They have a few little wooden pieces that they're gluing together. So she made those pieces to go on the side of those trays that she initially bought. Oh. Oh, wow. So she kind of made like a little organizer shelf for her kitchen. This is really cute. And what I like about this DIY is that it's very simple. Can easily replicate it at home, and she didn't even have to paint anything because the colors are already pre-made and done for you. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature some more DIY project ideas and me reacting to them. So here we have someone, looks like she grabbed a glass jar from the store, painted it. And then she's drilling a hole into the top. Oh, it looks like she's making a tissue box. Wow. Okay, that's cute. I love when something is well designed and functional at the same time. That is like such a gorgeous tissue box. So next up we have this DIY from Miguel. So he's using some old toilet paper rolls for this one. Now, I am a huge fan of Miguel. You guys already know that if you follow this channel. I don't know how he comes up with these projects. Like, he is just so talented. So he kind of makes a pattern here. Looks like he used canvas for the back, glued the little pieces on, painted them gold. Oh, wow. I feel like this is the perfect gold shade too. Like, it is just beyond gorgeous. Wow, look at that. That looks like a very high-end art piece. I love it. So then we have someone building out some type of mug shelf. Now, if you know how to work with wood, you can actually try to do this one yourself. Does involve some wood cutting though, so definitely not on like the beginner friendly level. I like this idea though, like if you like coffee in the morning and you want a nice little way to store and display your mugs, I think that this would be a really cute idea. I see them all the time on like Pinterest. The mug shelves, so cute. Ooh, I like the fact that her mugs are like all the same color. That's pretty. Very aesthetic. She's got a lot of like neutrals in her home. Let's upgrade the archway. She adds a shelf here. I love her pants. Those are so cute with the crop top. And then she puts in a plant, some hangers. Oh, she's adding more greenery to the archway. Oh, wow. That's kind of cute. Definitely something different. And then we have another recycle what do they call it? Upcycle, I want to say. DIY. This one is also from Miguel. So he used a bucket for this DIY. Insane. Yeah, definitely not a beginner-friendly project. Looks like he's making some type of shelving. I like the color scheme, the brown, natural wood with the black. Oh, he's making a clock. Oh, wow. Oh, that is really cool. Definitely something different and creative. And then our last DIY is an Ikea hack. Looks like she's got some acorns there in the background. So she's pretty much making like a nice little winter decor piece. Obviously, you could do this for Christmas. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.